Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Doing a reinstall of this 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is 180% density, 26 inches long. It is from a company called Yolova Hair Company. I will leave all the information down below in the description box regarding this wig. Once again, this is a reinstall. If you would like to see the original install of this wig, go to my playlist and you will find it there. But guys, I must say, for a reinstall, the wig came out perfect like it did the first time. I think you should stop what you're doing. Click the link in my description box and purchase this wig. You will not be disappointed. So guys, if you would like to see how I got this reinstalled, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We can do it. 2023, I am going to be focused on YouTube. So guys, hit subscribe. Let's get into the video. So I've been saying for the longest, I'm going to get back into doing wigs. So I went to the beauty supply store. Let me show you the things that I bought so I can reinstall this frontal wig. Hold on. I see now the girls are wearing the pantyhose, so I went and got the pantyhose because they said it's better to use because it's more thin than the stocking cap. So I went on a hunt for pantyhose, brought two. I brought some KIKIJ argan oil heat protectant. This olive oil nourishing spray with coconut oil. I brought spritz. What else? That's not it. Scissors. The even lace bond. I bought this. A new brush. Perfect melt strap to melt my lace. And I brought the Bold Hold glue. That right there, and this. So these are the things that I used, that I brought to put this wig on, okay? Wig is 26 inches and it did come with the strap. As you can see, I already cut it. This is the wig. She's beautiful. So this is what I will be installing today. So stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this. Body's about to drop. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit that's super hot. Hey, give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Gotta shoot the deal and I ain't taking sweat. That's because I'm gone. I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm an unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got them all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me this shit. I prayed, then I prayed again. Had a moment, but it came and went. You don't wanna play with him. Every morning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn. Yeah, she just said I'm bad, I hit the thizzle dance. Drink shit. Either hand is the upper hand. Yeah, shit. Got a bubble on my other hand. Yeah, this shit ain't no 100 bands. Tyler's look like Buckingham. Bill so big, I call him Williams for real. Reasons to go crazy, got $1 trillion for real. They been trying me, but ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So we bring.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time at the jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we know you get abada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty survive we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I no fit, ooh la la.
I just flip the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit that's super hot. Hey, give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved to London with the Euro steps. Got a shit to deal and I ain't taking sweat. That's because I'm gone. I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm an unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me this shit. I prayed, then I prayed again.